Everybody, welcome on the LOT.TRADE YouTube channel. We are, and you are online. We are online with you. This is the LOT.TRADE YouTube channel, and this is the AMA session as was announced with an amazing gaming company and gaming project named League of Hamsters. And please give a warm online welcome to Alex Bond, COO and the founder of League of Hamsters and Hamsters. Yes, they are this Web3 or crypto hamsters, as you know. So the goal of our AMA today is to deep dive more in League of Hamsters to understand what is this and how they plan to work with League of Traders. So Alex, it's great to see you again on our online meetings, and hope you're okay. So, and the founder of League of Hamsters and Hamsters, yes, they are. Okay. This Web3 or crypto hamsters. Sorry. So we go out. So Alex, let's start with the short introduction. What is League of Hamsters? Introduce yourself. Tell about your experience in cryptocurrency, and what should we know first about you and League of Hamsters?
Yes, thank you for asking me. But for first, I want to send greets for all your users. Щиро украинского доброго дня. На русском всем добрый день. Только для начала. So let's move. Yeah, for now we P2E project. We NFT-based blockchain game with additional augmented reality. When we started our development, we was first game with augmented reality, and from the start we make a lot of work, make a lot of steps from MVP version to alpha release, where what now can be downloaded on your Android or iOS phone, and you can test this game. And we're preparing now for IDO, so you can download, check this game, look for our hamsters heroes. For now, you can use any characters that possible for NFTs. So it's just about us. And League of Hamsters is just a part of our ecosystem. That's all.
Okay, so hamsters. Am I correct, or just make me correct more? Do you understand you're correct with that? These hamsters are the same hamsters like we joke in our industry. So hamsters, these are unexperienced investors come into the industry in order to earn more money, and that's why hamsters. So I'm trying to realize why such a name, League of Hamsters. League is a bunch of people, and hamsters. Who are they? Why hamsters? Right? Not elephants, wolves, and birds.
For starting, it was like a joke to be a hamsters. Yeah, SafeHamsters League. Then we started to be a League of Hamsters. So in this market, for a lot of hamsters, and our mission to make that ecosystem that possible to unite all these hamsters, teach them, and show how they can earn money, win money in different ways. And our game is just a part, it's just one instrument for mass adoption of cryptocurrency in this world.
Well, there's no secret here that we are all the community, all the Web3 world is now in so-called bear market. This is the marketing term, of course, and we all knew that at the time of bear market, the great results were achieved on the former bear markets in 2018 and 19. So bear market not so very bad for project development, and the business isn't stopping in bear market. So bear market is not so good, not so bad situation for running a business. And you said, so nothing stops here, I may say. So my general question to you, have you been affected by bear markets? Do you consider our markets now bad or good? How is the development of League of Hamsters depends on the situation on the markets? Does it affect you or not?
Okay, I understand you. Look, talking about bear markets and gaming, yeah. As you know, when we have COVID lockdowns, in 2020, games downloading is rising, users are rising. So in any situation in the world, people are playing in the games because they want to some fun, take fun in any situation. And this is why we choose it gaming as a key instrument to go in this market. Because in our vision, all the people still will be played. And if you look in the raising of users, a lot of users adding in last 3 years. So for now, we have a lot of mass adoption. You can check mass adoption in crypto now, last year, and 2 years ago. And I'm sure that in 2 years, it will be much bigger. So about bear market cycle, as you understanding, it's going almost half a year, maybe. From New Year, we can talk about some bear market now. Yeah, bear market was a point when we can stop for one moment, stop here, make some decisions about what costs we can cancel it for us, what useful for us, what not useful for us, and make better development, but less team. And for now, it's a normal market. We can wait for 2 years, thinking about that it will be 2024, but we have already working product, and we can we can use this time to start grow our users in game to be on the top in the next bull run.
Well, let's dive into League of Hamsters. I'm wondering how long League of Hamsters have already been existed in years, and what are the general goal? How do you see your roadmap, let's say in 5 or 10 years? Give us your vision.
5-10 years was a good question, because we don't think in more than in 3 years.
Okay. What's your plan for 3 years? Good vision.
Yeah, because this market is crazy. It's developed so fast that it's better to have some plans for 3 years and then some regulation in this. For 3 years, for sure, we want to be unicorn in this market because we have interesting game, because we developing a game that will be interested to play for free. And if you build a game that will interesting to play for free, it will be popular. Ever you can make it for play for real. That's why we developing our project for tournaments and a lot of activities. You can check our roadmap because we have a huge roadmap for next 2-3 years. It's better to check in our white paper and roadmap in our announcement channel.
Yeah, that's absolutely clear. So needless to say that you may find the link on League of Hamsters and the description of this live stream, and all the information about the roadmap for product. I checked that. I am assure you that it is on the website. It's easy to find.
I can say about key features that you can find in our development. We are talking about augmented reality. So in next 3-6 months, we had some adventures in adventure reality. So you can just use your phone, going anywhere and find some prizes or bosses to fight with them in your area. Next key feature, we integrate some mechanics from move to earn. As you know, it was a big hype about this, but we thinking about this not from position a hype, position for health, because right out me with my eyes is much better than to be some glasses, and living in virtual world. That's why we focus in about augmented reality. And next key features, we have some partnerships talking about integration of heroes from another games, changing 3D models from other game to our game, from our game to their game. And for this, completing and united a lot of gaming projects to grow this type of games.
Well, every project, every game, or every Web3 project in the space has been built by the people, by the minds. Who are the core members of League of Hamsters? We may know them, advisors. Give us the light on them.
Okay, for now, our core team, I am Chief Operational Officer, co-founder from starting this project. Also, we have Alexan Bitiev. He's now CTO in our project, also co-founder and starting this project from 0 point. For now, we have in our in-house team CMO, Chief Marketing Officer, Anna Chaikovskaya, some designers, some support managers. For now, core team, it's like 7 people who working about this, and we have some not in-house commands that working with us. So for total on this project, working looks like 20-30 people in different moments.
Well, maybe say that League of Hamsters is a classical or non-classical play-to-earn game, because the play-to-earn is a quite wide term. It accepts all the gaming project which allow game for earning NFTs in general. So how would you include League of Hamsters into this play-to-earn? Is League of Hamsters play-to-earn? And how exactly tokens or non-fungible tokens are used in this game? How to earn money by playing, I'm asking you.
I understand your question. Okay, we maybe, of course, we not a classical game because we're working on the unity in classical gaming and cryptocurrency. Of course, in our game, you can use our cryptocurrency MetaSeed names that will be going after our listing from IDO. So main using of MetaSeed token, it's your bet, because in our game, it's like a betting. You go into our app, choose your bet, and the system looks for you another competitor. It's a real game, not bots. That choose the with this bet. We have 3 types of bet. For example, $1, $3, $5. So you can bet $3 to find some competitors. You fighting with him. If you won, you take the bank. If you lose your money.
Okay, let me remind you, our viewers, that you are allowed to ask questions, and the live chat, you may find in your gadgets. We are streaming live right now, so you are watching us. Thank you very much. So give us a like, give us subscription on the LOT.TRADE YouTube channel, and ask your questions when I will finish to ask Alex the questions we're planned. We will switch to your questions in the live chat. And I know that some people asked me about this AMA. They were very wondering, and I personally invited them, just come and watch and ask Alex directly. So our main colleagues, they were waiting for this AMA, and they are watching us right now. I know this exactly. So we're going further. We've explored the main idea of League of Hamsters, the people who is building this game, and every project exists not alone, not standing alone, it has partners. And we know that LOT.TRADE is a league of traders. They organize tournaments for the traders. This main idea, our community knows that. And how a League of Hamsters exactly related to League of Traders, league here. So tell us about your personal relations about League of Hamsters and LOT.TRADE. What should we know about that?
Okay. Okay, LOT.TRADE, it's one of type of gamification in cryptocurrency world. So they working in that area that interesting for us. Before I come to my games and play to earn, I was just a trader, and one of the tokens that I used for my portfolio was Axie Infinity, AXS, but I don't know that it was such an interesting game, and only after huge rise in Axie Infinity, I'm understanding that I'm trading a token that used in game. So our area of auditory interested traders, gamers, holders, all these type of users are always interested in finding some interesting tokens for using.
Okay, a lot of people are watching us right now. I see an active movement in our live chat. Thank you very much, guys, for coming. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your smiles. And we are waiting not just for your presence, guys, but for your questions too, because this is a live stream. Alex especially came for us for not just for talking about projects. You know, everybody, every founder may say a lot about his project, just give him time and opportunity to talk. But we need to ask him about what are you personally interested in, because we have two amazing projects, LOT.TRADE, the YouTube channel that you are watching right now, and League of Hamsters, the partner of LOT.TRADE. They are partnering with Have Partner, and this all means another synergetic effects for all of the community. And you are the members, you are community members, your interests and your wishes are reflected in our participation. So we are waiting for your questions. So we are going further, dear ladies and gentlemen. So we've discussed your plans. We've discussed your plans. You want to, who else besides League of Traders are, you may call the major partners of League of Hamsters, with what another great web project who created realm you are partnering with?
Understand your question. Okay, for main partners for now, it's InMind company. Maybe you know guys from InMind. It's great people with a lot of experience in crypto. So for most of last year, they was our advisors. They give us a lot of opportunities with connections with another projects. So in mind, for telling you, last time we talking with you on ENVELOP Hammer, ENVELOP project, yeah, ENVELOP project. One of them, our key partners. We just waiting to start developing together after starting our token. They making a very interesting project about wrap NFT, and these wrap NFTs will be used in our game. Yeah, I forget to talk about this in our K future, so you can upgrade your NFTs just with tokens and make it more powerful or more experience for your hero in battles. Just give me a moment because we have a lot of partnerships. For last interesting partnerships, it was marketplace True Future. It's NFT marketplace. Maybe our new next collection will be released on this marketplace. And for last crypto battles, metademos, these NFT games maybe heard. And we also caring about the Earth and nature, and one of our interesting partners is Aquarius. So all of our new partnerships you can find in our Twitter or maybe our announcement channel, and can check these guys. Maybe some interesting you can find them.
This is absolutely amazing and fascinating to hear that InMind is your main partner, because I've been familiar with InMind since I joined the crypto in 2017 for 5 years. So greetings to Nelia Lovar and the great team. This is amazing. So you are partnering with great projects, and this all means, and InMind it is a very powerful engine, I would say, in and startup ecosystem in general, and a Web3 ecosystem in particular. This means that you have the great power and great tools for developing. And what is in numbers, League of Hamsters? I know that the community of League of Hamsters is quite huge. May you say how many community members, thousands, right here, you have already gathered and managed, and where to find? What are the main channels you manage to community? Discord, Telegram chatting, how to join League of Hamsters, and so on, so forth. All the we need to know.
Okay, we have one problem last few months. As you know, on this market was a lot of hacks and other DEXs, farms, and other solutions, and we lost our social media. So we just 3 weeks ago, only from 1st September, we restarted our social media. So for now, maybe part of people don't yet joined from older our social medias. So for now, we have more than 10,000 followers, real followers in Twitter. We have almost 4,000 people in our announcement channel. Just starting 3 weeks ago, we have also 1,000 in English channel, and Russian channel we not focus it, so it's not in priority for us. And we have almost 7,000 users that installed our game and playing our game from the start of alpha version.
7,000 users, not so. I would say this is a great amount for taking into account how many player games have already existed, and all they are competing for players, and I know it by practice. So wish you very good luck for not fixing these problems of losing community. Losing social media does not mean losing a community, because your fans and your advocates are always with you, and every game, every project has its own fans. And so, guys, if you are not still a fan, help League of Hamsters to recover from this technical, not so good, but technical task of re-establishing the connections with the community. By the way, we are 23 minutes in our live stream, and we have some interesting viewers in our chat. They are greeting us. Greetings for you guys. We're still waiting for your question. Let me look into that. Do we have questions already? Wish all the best for LOT.TRADE. Thank you, Roman. Lyubov, super. Okay, Roman asks, any bonuses for new users? Do you have any bonuses, gifts for new users? How would you answer, Alex?
I don't understand what means about bonuses for new users, but for now, as you know, LOT.TRADE tournament, and for now we have a lot of giveaways with partnerships, so you can just give you 5-10 minutes about doing some simple tasks, and it can be your bonuses then, because a lot of people's thinking about, oh, I will come, give me some bonuses to me that I will come. Okay, I don't understand these guys, because if you want something in this life, you need to go and do something for this. So for now, you have opportunity to describe our social medias, looking at what giveaways or partnerships with some prizes we go on, because we're going to listing on PancakeSwap on 1st October, and these 2 weeks will be a lot of partnerships and some giveaways. Just follow, looking. make simple tasks, and it will be your bonuses.
This is an amazing because I call this crowdsourcing, crowd marketing. Every project has a community, and why not the members of the community? Why not just waiting for receiving gifts from the free? Just get involved and help a project to develop, or do some simple tasks, earn bounties. A lot of opportunities have already existed. Just look on Twitter, subscribe on Twitter, and see what are the giveaways, what are the tasks you made easily to produce and to earn tokens, to earn in crypto with any project, and League of Hamsters also. So the easy way, just go on Twitter and find all the opportunities to earn, and do not wait for simple bonuses. That is not the attitude, I would say. So make a contribution to the space, and the world will respond into you with tokens of good projects. Okay, so we are going further. You mentioned IDO. This is an amazing abbreviation, very important initial DEX, if I'm not mistaken, offering. Tell us more. What should we know about your IDO, your parameters, terms, where to buy, launch pods or exchanges, and so on and so forth. All the major information about your upcoming IDO. We are listening carefully.
Okay. For first, it's better to subscribe our announcement channel, because a lot of information will be about IDO on this week. Yeah. Only for your users, I can say now that we're starting our IDO on 25 September on Pinksale Finance platform. Yeah, and it ending in 30 September, and on 1st October we are going to listing on PancakeSwap.
Okay, so 2020.
If you want to talk about some tokenomics, look, starting price for token only 1 cent, and for IDO we have only tokens for $500,000.
Okay, so what should our viewers, or not our viewers, anyone who wants to participate, what should they do? Step 1, step 2, step 3 to take part in your IDO, to buy your tokens. Where to go, what to do?
These instructions with all the steps, what to do, what need to do, will be in our announcement and other social media channels is in this week.
Okay, so
we don't post this information yet.
Okay, so you haven't posted information. So this is okay. The simple action you made to undertake. So find the link of Safe League of Hamsters in the description of this video. Find all the existing social media right now alive. Join there and following. And in the end of this week, you will find the instruction where to go, what to do if you are aiming to join the IDO. This is quite simple, absolutely simple. So let me look into a chat. Roman is glad, he agrees that, yeah, he gives us thanks for our reply. So I don't see great questions in the live chat. So Alex, what should we discuss more? Is anything you want to say to other viewers right now regarding you are on the LOT.TRADE YouTube channel, you have partnered with LOT.TRADE. What else should we say, should we discuss for now, for this moment? Have I forgotten something to ask you, and have we forgotten something to say?
I don't think that we forgot something, because I'm that man that I don't like speak a lot. Yeah, so maybe some users thinking that I'm trying to sell an ICO or IDO. It's not interesting for me. Yeah, it's good, but the main what I want to say, it will be the pleasure for us, for our team, if you download our game and give us some feedback from this, because only on good feedbacks or bad feedbacks we can make our product much better, and development it's a progress. So it will be a pleasure for our community also. So if you can do this, please do this and write us.
Okay, so the main call to action we have done. So go to League of Hamsters website. You may find the link in the description of this video. Download the game. By the way, is this game for desktop or for smartphones, or for what type of?
It has not any desktop or PC variants.
Just mobile game.
Just mobile game, yeah. Because mobile phone, it's always with us. And if we use an augmented reality, wherever we go, we take in phone with us. So maybe you stay in anywhere and you have time, you can just go your phone and maybe read in Telegram, maybe you play, and you can choose your way.
Okay, absolutely correct. So we have a question in our live chat. The user named Dilly Bagati, do and earn. What ways of earning will there be in the game? I think we have already answered on this question, but let's remind again.
It's a main. I told you just about a main way of earn, but one of the types of earn, it's play for adventure. You can in 3-6 months after starting our P2E game, because we think we realized P2E in 2-3 weeks after listing. So you can try to earn in a classical mode about bets, what I say. Then I will be at adventures mode, when you can go find some high prizes from maybe other partners or from our project. You can find some bosses. About move to earn tokenomics or move to earn mechanics. Yeah, we add some move to earn mechanics, so you just can go anywhere and grab some tokens for your movements, and then you can choose it maybe for energy for more battles of your hamster in game, or you can just sold it on another dexes. And tournaments, we will have quarter tournaments, and then year tournaments with big prizes. So it's a lot of types to earn in game.
Okay, so we've answered. So I think we've covered all the major things regarding League of Hamsters. We've covered what is League of Hamsters, what's the main idea, how it works, how to earn money, how to join, how to find, and how to start to play in the League of Hamsters. This is amazing. We've also covered all your relations with a League of Traders. Where are we hosting this AMA right now? This is amazing. So I think we've reached all those. And finally, Alex, I'd love to ask you about your plans till the end of 2022. What to expect from League of Hamsters till the end of the year? What interesting should we wait for from League of Hamsters? We community, we players.
Our main goal it's about 50,000 users and growing our community, and it's active users of our game. And I think it's a normal goal, not so hard, not so soft. So main idea to be a project with 50,000 active users that play in our game, and of course it's if we have some quantity of users, it's growing our project in 10-20 times.
Well, so this is an amazing goal. Wish you good luck in reaching an achievement, 50,000 users. And this will be an amazing community, and we hope we will see you on other AMAs regarding LOT.TRADE or maybe other YouTube channels of other projects, because we are so close related in the Web3 community, gaming, marketplaces, NFT protocols such as ENVELOP you've mentioned, in mind as advisors. So that's amazing. So guys, let me see again in our live chat. So our viewers say thanks for us. They wrote, these guys are crazy, the best project, good job. We are very glad that you loved our AMA session. We do not see questions anymore. And thank you for being with us today. Thank you for watching, liking and subscribing. And I noticed that somebody has already subscribed on the LOT.TRADE YouTube channel. So this has been an AMA session on LOT.TRADE YouTube channel regarding partnership and friendship, I would say, with League of Hamsters and Alex Bond, the COO and the founder of League of Hamsters. League of Hamsters, yes, these hamsters. As our guest, my name is Eugene Kripping MC. I was the host of this AMA today. So let me repeat again, what actions should you undertake? First of all, go into the description, find the link on the League of Hamsters website, find all this, their resources, social media, join there, download the app, start to play and earn money, be the part of community, and follow the news about the upcoming idea of League of Hamsters, and be the part of LOT.TRADE community. Join our Telegram chat, be subscriber our YouTube channel, and stay tuned for next great content, news, AMAs, and conversations. We are creating content for your purposes and for your business, guys. Thank you very much, Alex. Do we need to add something interesting in the end of our AMA? Maybe you want to wish something to our community, final thoughts, final statements, and so on and so forth. Any final wishes for him?
Only one wish: be fun in this life, and only smile and fun.
Absolutely.
Can do this life much better than we thinking about it.
Absolutely. Stay easy, think easy, and don't worry about it. This is not a joke. This is attitude to life in the Web3, because a lot of happening right now in the Web3 space, and you are also already the part. Every community member matters, because projects build products, games, NFTs, and so on and so forth for users. Every project in the Web3 space seek for users, and you have already been the user and the player of League of Hamsters, and congratulations for you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching and listening. Again, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for next great content. And we are finishing our AMA session. Let me finally look on it, because I just, sorry, Taras. Taras asks the bonus question in the end of our AMA session. Let me read it. There was already a SafeHamsters partner tournament on Leagues of Traders. Yes. And now another one has started. What has changed with the SafeHamsters in the meantime? If I'm getting you correctly, Taras, you mean that League of Hamsters previously was called SafeHamsters. So, yeah. Alex, if you do understand the question, may you explain what is the difference and what has changed?
Just rebranding.
Just rebranding, just the name. So
yeah.
people are the same team, are the same founders, are the same, and just okay. So SafeHamsters previously
part of team are the same. It's about me, about Alejan, and some another part of members comes new. We building a new marketing department. So for now, in our restarting social medias, and in the hope of this market that it will grow, we just decided to make some win-win for LOT.TRADE, some win-win for League of Hamsters. So it's for example, it's just one of way how to earn tokens. Just join competitions with a lot of trades, and you can win some of our NFTs or tokens.
Amazing. I absolutely love this AMA session, because when we have an opportunity to stream online a live talk with one of the co-founders, and who honestly answers on the question, What would be better than that? This is my personal opinion. Thank you very much, Alex, for joining us today
Thank
in
you,
our
thank you for
MSN
your
Bush. We wish you good luck, guys. Please be subscribed, join League of Traders, join League of Hamsters, previously SafeHamsters. Do not confuse these things, but the truth that we are all close friends together. So if you will confuse, at least we won't miss you and you won't miss us. Be the part of our community and everything will be good. And don't worry, be happy. Just take a smile and look. Do not afraid of crypto winter, bear markets, and so on and so forth, because Web3 has existed and forever. This is the real truth of our life. Thank you very much and stay tuned for next content. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.